All right, in this quick tips video, we're going to take a look at using Microsoft Lens. This is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. It is an app where you can turn things you've written by hand or just things on paper into digital PDFs or images. And you can do this for PDFs. You can turn multiple pages of scratch paper that I've got here into a single PDF. If you need to upload a single PDF thing for one of your online classes, this is a great way to do it if your stuff is originally on paper. So I've got this open and I'm just going to go ahead and scan. You can see this outline that it's giving. I'm just going to go ahead and click the take picture thing. I've got several different options, but one of the things I can do is move around. If it didn't quite find the right corners, I can change exactly what it's cropping off. I'm going to hit confirm down in the bottom right. And for more pages, I can go ahead and click Add, which is down here in the bottom left. And then I can just take a picture of these. If I already had them saved as images, I could just choose the images from my phone. But here I'm just going to take these pictures. Now it leaves it in the mode where I can choose a bunch. I'm going to go ahead and click all of these here. I have a bunch of different, hitting confirm, different options for kind of formatting that I can do on here. I'm going to click next down in the almost bottom right. I can change the way these looks. I could change the order. I could change the filters down here on the bottom. I have it set to whiteboard, but I could change it to, let's say, document or just the original, depending on what I wanted to go with. I'll leave it with document. That looks okay. And then I'm just going to click out of that. I'm going to press done. There are lots of apps that do similar things. One of the nice things about Office Lens is that I can choose to save this. I'll just call it notes. I can choose to save this in a bunch of different spots. One of those spots happens to be my OneDrive. And so I could choose to save it there. It's going to upload. I could choose to save it just to my phone or many other places. I'll go ahead and save it there. And once I hit save, then we'll be able to see where that saves. And you can see it saved the top two here. Sorry, I can't point on my phone. The top two and second row on the left are just the individual images. And this one is the full PDF that I can download and open. I had it stored to OneDrive, but I can just view that here. And now I've got a PDF that has all of my notes in there just like I wanted. So that's how you use Microsoft Lens to capture notes.